What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, turn your post notifications. Today, we got a trio in, and this is going to be the jack-o'-lantern orange trio. I don't know which one to call it. The pumpkin spice trio, the orange lava, you know, the flame emoji. I don't know what we're gonna call this, but it is an orange set, and as you can see there, you have a clipper, trimmer, and shaver. And it does come with a charging dock as well. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up, and let's go ahead and dive into what we got. So it's a big box. It's a big box. Let me not cut myself here. It's a big box, and it's a flip top. So I'm just gonna cut this plastic off real quick, and then we'll go from there. So once we do that, let's go ahead and flip the camera around, let you guys see what we are working with. All right, y'all. So we have the TPOB trio here. I'm gonna go ahead and take off this plastic. Let's get that off here. One of the best parts of unboxings is always taking off the plastic wrap. I don't know what it is. It's just super satisfying. But there is the box. It's just a flip top box. But before we get into all that, first off, we have the TPOB Play powered by Acme. You have a 5-hour runtime with the chunk blade, which is going to be your clipper. You have a 5-hour runtime with the softy blade, which is going to be your trimmer. You have the 3-hour runtime with the magnetic floating blade. That's going to be your shaver. So before we actually get into the contents, let's go ahead and flip it over. Of course, on the side here, you got your cartoon artwork, always synonymous with the TPOB brand. Artwork right there. You have the TPOB Play. And then let's go ahead and flip it over. Now, on the other side here, you have more information. So, TPOB Play, powered by Acme, chunk blade with oil reservoirs on the clipper, 5-click stretch lever. You have 2-speed switch. Your first speed is going to be 6,000 RPM. Your second, which is going to be your high speed, is going to be 7,500 RPM. You have the battery LED indicator light. Green on is high, red on is low, red flashing, that means you're empty. You have the softy blade with oil reservoirs on your trimmer. You have your power switch, and we're operating at 7,000 RPM for the trimmer. You have the battery LED indicator light, same thing as the clipper. Green on high, red on low. Red flashing is going to be empty. And then last but not least, you have your shaver. So for the shaver, you have the blade, which is at the top. You have the blade locker. So you can lock and unlock the blade right here, pop it off. You have your 2-speed switch, low speed 6,000 RPM. Low speed 7,000 RPM, high speed 8,000 RPM. So your battery LED indicator light, same thing. High is going to be a green on. Your low is going to be red on, and empty is going to be a red flashing light. Now, one of the things I like about the TPOB branding is going to be how on the box, it's going to be a matte box, but you can see the gloss on the actual clipper, trimmer, shaver. And I always think that's a cool aspect. Now, we're going to go ahead and do the same thing on this side. You can see the gloss on that right there. That's cool. But anyway, let's go ahead and pop this bad boy open. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the artwork on the top. Here at the top, you have your cartoon artwork all over the top of the box. We scoot this back here, and you're going to have all types of goodies up in here. You got your shaver manual here. You got your clipper manual here. You got your trimmer manual here. And then also, we have one power cord, which is going to be for the the charging dock. You have a 0-gap adjuster, and you have your oil. You have your shaver. Underneath the shaver, we got some lubricant, as you can see there. So we got lubricant under there. And then under our clipper, you're going to have a screwdriver. So there's your screwdriver. And then under your trimmer, we are going to have another screwdriver, which is going to be your 0-gap screwdriver. So put that back there. And I don't think that we're going to have anything underneath here. Oh yeah, I'm lying. So underneath here, when we remove this plastic here, you're going to have guards. So we have a 4 guard. So it's looking like you're going to have 4, 3, 2, 1, or half 1, all the way down to your half guard. So you have half guard through 4 guard. And that's pretty much everything. So let's go ahead and take everything out of the box here as far as the tools. So first up, we have our orange dock. So there is the TPOB Play dock. It's got your LED lights on the side. The play also lights up like the corner play. This is the black charger over here, so that's how that lights up. So if I close this, you can see the green LED indicator light on the bottom there too. So that's how that lights up there. So I'll put this aside. Next up, we have our, I'm gonna go ahead and take one guard out because I know you guys are gonna be like, how does the guard fit? So let's take one guard out. I'm gonna put this back here, and then we're gonna go ahead and put this back. I'll just use the power cord for the other one for the time being. Go ahead and take out the shaver next. So here is our shaver. Take that bad boy out. Nice and orange. I dig that. That is clean. That is sick. Put that into the dock. Close that up here. And one more thing I forgot to show you is you're going to have extra screws as well. So we have our clipper next. Take the plastic off. Put that bad boy back. So there is your plastic for the orange. And I'm going to go ahead and take off the what is this called? Your freaking blade cover. So after that, I'm going to go ahead and take out the trimmer. Last but not least, our trimmer. So there's the trimmer. Digging the color on all of this stuff. It is dope. It is dope. So there's the orange. Put that into the trimmer or the power pod. And then we're going to close this bad boy up here. So let's put this aside. I'm going to put that right here. And we're going to put this at the forefront. All right, so I am going to take out the tools so we can look at the bottom of the actual charging pod. So at the bottom of the charging pod, you can see there that's where your tools go. You're going to have shaver, trimmer, clipper. But at the bottom, you have these rubber grips. These rubber grips are very, very sturdy. This stuff is not going anywhere. But let me unplug the other one real quick. We'll plug this one in so you guys can see what it's looking like. So we're plugged in. As you can see, like I said, you got your play lit up. You got your green LED indicator there, green LED indicator there. Maybe it'll show better if I turn off this light. Hold on. Let's see. Okay, so yeah. So as you can see here, you can see the green a lot better with the light off. But that's how it looks with the light off. No, this is dope. This is really dope. And it just in time for Halloween. That's the thing. Halloween's coming up. People like their orange for Halloween, for fall, you know, all the whole thing. But there is our charging dock. Next thing we're going to do is go ahead and look at, excuse me as I get this straight. So first up, we're looking at our shaver. So there's the shaver. You have the adjustable nameplate. So this pops off. You can pop that off. You have your charger at the bottom. You have your power switch. This is a magnetic lid. So you can take it off, put it back on, and it's like a magnet. So there's your logo. So we're going to take that off. There's your blade for your shaver. And then this is your blade lock. So you can pop this off and then pop that back on. Like so. Oh, I'm tripping over here. Let me go ahead and put this before I break it. There we go. You have a thumb indentation and you got your rubber grip. So the good thing about these rubber grips is that it doesn't really collect hair like other grips do. I've used a lot of rubber grips from other companies and stuff like that, and they tend to collect hair. But this is a nice, like a hard rubber, but it's grippy enough for your hand. But it's not too grippy to where it's going to collect hair, so that's a plus. But let's go ahead and turn it on. So there is our high speed. There's your LED indicator light, and there is your low speed. So I'm going to go ahead and turn that off and put it into the charging dock. So once you get in the charging dock, as you can see, it's going to start blinking, and that is charging. Next thing we're going to go ahead and look at is going to be our trimmer. All right, next up we have our trimmer. There is your TPOB Play trimmer. You got your thumb indent, you got your rubber grips, you got your power switch on the bottom, you got your charging dock, or charging port rather. You have the softy blade on there, and this does have oil reservoirs in it as well. Digging the color, but there you have one speed on your trimmer, and that is the one speed. We're gonna go ahead and put that on the charging dock. So once you put this on the charging dock, there it is. It's charging like so. And then last but not least, we're going to be looking at our actual clipper. So here's the clipper. Got your thumb indent. You got the new click lever like you do have on the TPOB Mini. So on the TPOB Mini, you have the same lever as you do on there. So I'm digging that lever. It clicks well. I like how it clicks. And then last but not least, on this this actual clipper, you have the chunk blade already stock on there. So you got that stock on there. You can take off the rubber grips. On the bottom, you have your hanging hook, just like the other TPOB Play. Let me get it for you. So just like on the black one, you got your hanging hook on the bottom there. But that'll pretty much do it for the TPOB Halloween Duo. I don't know what y'all want to call it, but that's what we're looking at right there. Now, I know I said that'll do it, but I'm going to go ahead and show you how the actual guard pops onto the blade. So you got the guard here, you got your blade here. Tuck that in, and it pops right on. So there is the guard. Doesn't rattle. Nice and quiet. And I'm sure this is going to be a beautiful clipper to work with, especially with the chunk blade on it. I dig the new click lever. And the Play is just a clipper that you can't go wrong with at all. So I can't wait to get this behind the station, especially using it for Halloween. As you can see here, your boy's got an orange amp, so goes well with the aesthetic. We got some orange J's right here, some orange Dunks. Got a lot of orange stuff going on right now. So I think I got some orange Yeezys somewhere right there. So yeah, the orange aesthetic, I'm digging it. Appreciate TPOB for hooking it up, sending this to your boy just in time for Halloween. But there it is once again, guys. See if I can get a thumbnail. We'll try to make it spooky for Halloween. Now I'm just giving you guys behind the scenes right now. I think that's the thumbnail. That'll be the thumbnail. So there is the trio. Appreciate you guys for checking out this video. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, turn your post notifications. But I think this is a limited run too. But the biggest advice I have would be to stay up to date with tpobusa.com, tpobusa.com. Go to the website and get signed up with the email list or the SMS list, where they'll send you text messages about release dates, prices, exclusive codes to use. Then also follow TPOB on Instagram, the Pissed Off Barber, at the Pissed Off Barber on Instagram. Reason why I'm saying this, he shares information constantly. And if you join the Slime Gang on TPOB on Instagram, he sends a bunch of information in there as well that you can stay up to date with. So, and also stay tuned to Toad Barber News on the Pissed Off Barber YouTube page. But yeah, that'll do it for this video. I can't wait to get this behind the chair. This is not going to be a video where we get it behind the chair today. I'm going to go ahead and try to put this content out today of the unboxing so that people can see what they're trying to buy. So I'm digging this. I like it. So without further ado, I appreciate y'all. Y'all enjoy October, Scaretober, Halloween month. You know, everybody's doing some crazy stuff in October, but this ain't scary. It's just scary how cheap it's going to be for y'all to buy, because TPOB stay running deals. If I can get a screenshot of what these went for today off the TPOB USA site, I'll leave it down here below. But if not, go to tpobusa.com. I'll leave a link in the description. As far as Amazon, you can buy other tools from TPOB on Amazon as well. Put that in the description. But if you go to tpobusa.com, go use code Jayblends to save yourself 20% off your purchase. But other than that, hope everybody has a good start to the fall. Appreciate everybody for watching this video. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, or consider subscribing, or like the video, drop a comment, do something. Let's get this video into our algorithm. Let's get this channel to 10K. So we're almost there. We're at like 9,170, something like that. But let's get to 10K and probably do a giveaway. So at 10K, we're going to do a giveaway, because I appreciate y'all for being subscribed to this channel. Because, you know, you don't got to be subscribed to me, but you are, and I appreciate you. And if you're not, still appreciate you for clicking on this video. But other than that, have a good night, good morning, good day, whatever it is. God bless.